cooking. This is a balsamic vinegar rosebud water mix with a little balsamic vinegar pepper on the side.
Could I make it with you? Now, let's make the vinegar. Get it pouring in the funnel. It's going into here. So now let's get the funnel over here. Now, let's get this thing pouring in here. Okay, so we gotta work this out. Then Eli, as we take this out, Eli, so pour it into here. Wonderful. And we got it going. We've got it going, Eli. Okay, let's see. Perfect. Now we're gonna pour it in here. So then the funnel. So we like them.